Spruce Up Your English. Understanding, Spruce Up. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to discuss, spruce up. Whether you're preparing for a special event, tidying your living space, or just want to enhance your English vocabulary, understanding how to use spruce up can be really beneficial. So, let's dive in and spruce up our knowledge together. Spruce up is a phrasal verb in English, and it means to make something look cleaner, neater, or more attractive. Typically, this phrase is used when talking about improving the appearance of a place, an object, or even oneself. For example, you might spruce up your living room before guests arrive, or spruce up your resume before applying for a job. It implies making small changes that have a big impact on overall appearance. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use spruce up in different contexts. 1. Personal appearance. I need to spruce up before the party tonight. 2. Home. This weekend, I'm planning to spruce up my apartment. 3. Work. We need to spruce up our project proposal before submitting it to the boss. 4. General. A fresh coat of paint can really spruce up an old piece of furniture. In each of these examples, spruce up is used to indicate an improvement in appearance or presentation. When learning a new phrase, it's just as important to know what not to do. Here are some common mistakes to avoid with spruce up. 1. Don't use it for major renovations. Spruce up refers to making small improvements. It's not used when talking about major overhauls or complete transformations. 2. Don't use it in formal writing. Spruce up is somewhat informal. In formal writing or speech, you might choose to use enhance or improve instead. And that's a wrap on spruce up. Remember, it's all about making small changes to improve appearance or presentation. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use spruce up in your everyday English. Don't forget to practice, and soon you'll find yourself using this phrase like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.